Hello guys, welcome to the Rusty Ratchets. Today we have something different a bit. It's a Volkswagen Vento, the 2017 model. This is my daily driver. Got this car for about a year now, a year and a change, and starts to smell whenever I turn on the aircon. I guess it's time to change the pollen filter. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the pollen filter. I got the replacement part over here, some original one. Recommended price is 150, but I got it for 85 from famous auto supplies in Riverbank. So let's get it on. So to change the pollen filter, you need to go underneath the glove box compartment. So now I got my light down there and we can see it clearly. Alright, these are where the pollen filter will sit. Just near to the center console. This is the center console, and on top here is the glove box compartment. This is your footlight for the passenger, front passenger. And to open it, you just slide this clip forward and this one forward as well, and take it out, and now you can access the filter. So just bring it down, and as you can see, it's not really that dirty, but I guess all the crap that have been trapped in there causing it to smell. Anyway, a year is a good time to change it. Let's compare it to the new one. So there you go. You can see the difference. I don't need to tell you which one is the old one, which one is the new one. So hopefully this one will, changing this one will get rid of the smell. I do notice a slight difference on the older one and the new one. This one being the older one, this one is the newer one. The printing is slightly different. It's a lot of difference. And I'm not sure whether I bought a genuine one, or maybe it's a fake one, or maybe it's a new revision. This one being the older revision. But I do notice a bit different here. This one says CVKDE and this one says CVKIN. So I thought this one being made in India and this one is being made in Germany. Other than that, as you can see, there's a flow direction over here, so you need to install it in a certain manner, but this one doesn't have any. So you need to install this one with the arrow pointing towards the center console, because the air comes from the blower motor, which is from this side, and to the evaporator, which is towards this side. And yeah, it's quite big. It's about the same. Looks the same. So let's install the new one. As I told you earlier, this one doesn't have a direction or an arrow show which it goes, which the orientation is supposed to go in, but compared to the old one, so I'm going to install the same way in. And so just line them up like so. And I prefer to put this side in first. Hold on, it's kind of hard to do it with just one hand and holding the camera, hoping that it will focus. Change suspension. So I'm just feeling it through while seeing it from the camera. This one goes to here, and go in, go home, go home. All right, so it's in all the way. All right, you can see now it's fully in, and now it's time to put this enclosure back. So this side goes first, in, and slide the clip back all the way. Same with this side, and we are done. Okay, I would like to show you some difference on this Malaysian Vento, I guess, with other Vento outside of Malaysia. And as you can see over here, when we remove this filter for the first time, we didn't see this thing. There should be a frame that is encased over the filter, and you put the filter inside the frame, and then you put it inside the housing. But I guess the Malaysian one doesn't come with the frame for, I think, cost cutting measure. But you can buy the frame from eBay, and they will ship it to you for free for around 50 or 60 ringgit if you want to make your filtration system properly. I will buy them, but not in the near future, as I have a budget to be allocated on other projects. So yeah, that's why I want to show you the difference in the parts. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Yeah, it can be considered a tutorial of how to change your pollen filter on your VW Vento. So hope you guys like it, and stick around for the next video. So have a good day.